Welcome back to Trina's Motivation, guys. Today I'm gonna take you in the kitchen, show you made this simple recipe barbecue pork chops. I'm gonna serve him up with some corn. You can serve it with rice and peas, you can serve it up with anything, or you can just eat the pork chop all by itself. So I'm gonna do step by step how I made it from I bought it from the store, season right down to this lovely finished product. Let's get into it. Pork chops that I bought at the meat shop. I paid $1,000 for this. It's £2. I'm going to take this out of the bag and then I'm going to wash it. So there it is. They're not very thick or thin. So these look nice. Can serve 2 piece. So we're going to wash them. Then we're going to season. I'm going to leave it to soak. Alright, so we're going to be washing them and cleaning it up. And I really want to make sure everything is nice and clean and ready to take some seasoning. I've finished washing them. What I'll be doing, I'm going to use my knife and do like this. So when I season, everything will go get seasoned, right? So I'll do that to all of them. I want it to season to the bone. The season we're going to be using is this. We have a little pimento green, and we're also going to use some garlic. That's it. Alright, so we are basically done seasoning. So we're going to cover, put it in our fridge. So today is Saturday. We're going to put it in our fridge. And so we know that tomorrow it go well marinate. Just want to show you, these are the things I cleaned when I cleaned up the pork. These are the things I got off. Not much. It was nice and clean. Really happy I bought it, and I hope it's very soft. But tomorrow will tell. So what you're gonna do, put a little oil. Then you're gonna put your pork chops in. Add some garlic. You know, garlic gives your food a nice flavor, right? My pot is full. Now you try to make all of this fit in. Then you're going to cover. So don't worry about the garlic, it's going to simmer down. So you want everything to get have a nice brown color. I haven't covered it as yet. I'm going to turn them over so both sides can get some nice color. And these that's not down there will change faces. Wow, this is looking good already. So once these 3 pieces have gotten some nice color, I'm gonna switch places and put these down because I know the pot is a little bit too full. So that's what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna add a little warm water, just a little bit. Notice the color is changing. Right, so that is what's gonna help to give every part of the pork chops that nice brown color that we want. So we're going to cover him up now. Oh my gosh, look at the color already, guys. It's not, it's almost ready. See there? Alright, but we want to do, when we put the fork on it, you want to see it coming off. So we're going to add a little bit more water. Remember, we're using hot water. Notice? You don't use a lot at a time, you just use a small amount, because that is what will help to give it the nice brown color. Look right here, you see the nice brown color? That's right here. See there? And then you just make sure you cover. Alright, so I think it's basically done now. What we're gonna do, remove these, and then we're gonna make the sauce for this. All right. So that's what we're gonna do. So here is the finished product, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna make some sauce, and then we're gonna put these back in. So this is what I'm gonna have it with: corn. So all I did was to just put my corn, my sweet corn, in some chicken noodle mix. Just gonna cook it down a bit until it soak up everything. Don't really want anything else with it. And over here, this is our sauce. So when my sauce is done, what I did was to just take this out and just put some stuff in there: barbecue sauce, a little ketchup and stuff. And so you notice we still have like the pimento green, the, what was the other thing, the garlic. All of these goodness is in this pot. I don't want to lose the flavor, so I just kept everything in. And let me tell you, I'm going to just add some of my pork chops to this. Oh Lord, whoa. So now it's almost done, so we're just going to add the pork chops to it. I have to take my time because the pork chops is so soft. So we're going to add it to it so we can get some of the flavor. And that's it. Our barbecue pork chops. Yeah, man. Nice. Ooh. What you want to also do in this way, now you want to pour your sauce over it. You just cover it for a little bit and simmer down. Right. Now I'm not gonna put all of them in it because some persons don't like when the sauce is on it like that, like cook it down. So we're gonna leave our 2-piece. I'm just gonna cook down these. Oh my God, guys, look at the finish. Look at the finished product, guys. It is our barbecue pork chops served up with some corn. Yeah, me I gonna enjoy this. Look at it, guys. You see that my pork chop well done. See there? I break it, almost break. I could hardly put it on. It's soft, almost. See there? Watch here. Look there. Look there. Oh wow, wow.